Ever pondered the intriguing question, how does a CPU connect to your computer's motherboard? Well, the answer lies in a piece of hardware known as the CPU socket, an essential component that provides electrical and mechanical connections between a microprocessor and a printed circuit board, or as it's commonly known, the PCB. This technology allows for easy placement and replacement of the central processing unit, or CPU, without the need for soldering. The journey of CPU socket evolution began with designs that incorporated retention clips, applying a constant force that needed to be overcome when inserting a device. As technology advanced and chips with numerous pins came into play, zero insertion force or ZIF sockets took center stage. These sockets, including the popular pin grid array or PGA and land grid array or LGA, use a compression force applied by a handle for PGA or a surface plate for LGA. This design provides superior mechanical retention while minimizing the risk of bending pins during chip insertion. Fast forward to the present day, and we find ball grid array or BGA sockets in use. However, these require soldering and are typically not considered user replaceable. CPU sockets are now a staple on the motherboard of desktop and server computers and are invaluable for prototyping new circuits due to their ease of component swapping. As we delve deeper into the evolution of CPU sockets, it becomes evident that the increasing pin density in modern sockets places significant demands on the printed circuit board fabrication technique. This is crucial for successfully routing the large number of signals to nearby components. Similarly, the wire bonding technology within the chip carrier also becomes more complex with increasing pin counts and pin densities. Modern CPU sockets are almost always designed in conjunction with a heatsink mounting system or in lower power devices, other thermal considerations. Special adapters known as slot kets are used for incorporating socket processors in bus-compatible slot motherboards. Over the years, tech giants like AMD and Intel have introduced a plethora of sockets, all with varying specifications. AMD, for instance, introduced the STR5 for Threadrippers in 2023 and the AM5 for the Ryzen 7000 and 8000 series in 2022. Intel, on the other hand, launched the LGA 1700 in 2021 and the LGA 4189 in 2024 for both servers and desktops. Every year, both companies continue to innovate, launching numerous new CPU slots, not just for sockets and servers, but also for notebooks and other ISAs. To sum it all up, the evolution of CPU sockets has been a fascinating journey, a co-evolution of numerous technologies working in tandem. From the earliest designs to the most recent, the importance of CPU sockets remains constant. They are the vital link between the CPU and the motherboard, the key to easy component swapping, and an essential part of prototyping new circuits. So the next time you ponder the question, how does a CPU connect to your computer's motherboard? Remember the humble yet mighty CPU socket.